Welcome, my name is Miss Dani Mo. I'm so glad you're here. This is a very special time of year. It is autumn, and in autumn the leaves turn pretty colors and they fall down and it gets a little cold out and it's harvest time, which means we pick all of our garden things. And one really important thing we pick from the garden is pumpkins. And I don't know about you, but we decorated the outside of my house with pumpkins, inside of my house with pumpkins. We ate pumpkin pie, pumpkin seeds. But guess who else loves pumpkins? Humphrey! Bruce, come here. Can you sit? Good boys. Oh. Animals love pumpkins. Like, all of them love pumpkins. I don't know what it is, but they're so tasty to turtles, rabbits, deer, dogs, and even cows. So that brings us to what we're going to do today. We are going on a field trip to my grandparents' farm to give the cows our leftover pumpkins. Come on.
We're on the way, we're on the way, on the way to Grandpa's farm. We're on the way, we're on the way, on the way to Grandpa's farm. We're on the way, we're on the way, on the way to Grandpa's farm. We're on the way, we're on the way, on the way to Grandpa's farm. Here we are, here we are, here we are at Grandpa's farm. Here we are, here we are, here we are at Grandpa's farm.
We begin in the cozy barn, where all the kitty cats and horses stay nice and warm during the winter. Aren't they so nice? And look, a pony. Nice teeth, sir. Looks like we're ready to go. Is this a four-wheeler that we're in?
Yep,
We're gonna go drive out to the field and then chop up the pumpkins?
that's right.
All right.
You can't eat them whole.
No, they're not that big. Look at that. The whole herd of cows followed us. It's as though they know it's snack time. Time to serve the first pumpkin.
Right there.
Right here?
Good job.
Thank you, Grandpa. That big knife is called a machete. We don't play with machetes. We let grandpas use machetes.
Wow.
Yes! Come and see. Look at the cow. He's already eating it. That's my mom chopping the pumpkin. She's very good at that. So, Grandpa Barry, how do you take care of cows when it's cold outside, like this?
Well, if it's not too cold, they stay right out there.
I mean, they're so furry. It seems like they can stay out in the cold and be happy.
Yep.
When do you bring them inside into the barn?
Well, if it's storming real bad, and then when we start calving, that's when the babies are born. We call it calving.
You're telling me there's baby cows on this farm? Back to the warm barn to see the calves. Oh, so these are the baby cows?
These are the babies.
Oh my goodness!
These are the April calves.
They're such big babies.
Well, thank you.
You're welcome. Means you're being a good farmer. Well, it's time to leave Grandpa's farm. I clean off my muddy boots in the snow, and off we go. And we are back. That was so fun. We learned about how to take care of cows. We fed them pumpkins and they loved them. So I hope you have a few ideas of what to do with your old pumpkins. There are so many things you can do, so many places you can go, so many things you can be. I love you guys. Have a great day.